Hi Fire Signs, Aries Leo, Sagittarius, welcome po sa ating channel. At ito ay yung weekly gabay tarot reading for August 27 to September 2, 2023. Please be reminded that this is channel reading po. So maaari kayo makarelate o hindi, just take what resonates. Gamitin ang reading na ito bilang gabay lamang. Balik po kayo dito bukas para sa ating daily gabay tarot reading for August 28, 2023. Please like, subscribe, and click bell button para updated po kayo sa daily tarot reading natin. Maraming salamat po. Spirit guides, ano pang energy today ni Fire Signs, Aries, Leo, at Sagittarius ngayong August 27 to September 2, 2023. Your energy today, nagkaroon ng pasensya, nagkaroon ng pagbubunga sa iyong trabaho or pag-aani sa iyong trabaho. Malapit mo nang maabot ang iyong goal sa buhay, parating ng resulta sa iyong sibag at tiyaga. Parating ng resulta sa iyong sipag at tiyaga, naghihintay at malapit ka nang mag-harvest. Naghihintay ka ngayon, pero nagkaroon ng stagnation. You have lack of confidence around a specific goal or lack of focus or loss of direction. The advice is you need to create a concrete plan in order to regain momentum. Impulse control ay kailangan in order to grow and take action in a positive direction. This is also a warning of moving quickly or nagkaroon ka ng hesitation to take an action. So be confident na may maha-harvest ka sa iyong tinanim. Be confident, avoid moving quickly. Kasi darating din ito na magkakaroon ng magandang results ang iyong trabaho. What's the advice for Fire Signs, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius ngayong August 27 to September 2, 2023? Ending a trauma, transform memories and symptoms. Do not be frustrated. So, do not be frustrated sa iyong trabaho ngayon. Let go and feel peaceful. Let's see your career and money. Fire Signs, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius ngayong August 27 to September 2, 2023. Wow. Wow, this is abundance. New beginnings. So marami kang trabaho ngayon, marami kang customers. May parating na job opportunity, promotion, dahil nito nagkakaroon ng financial growth and stability. So this is good news for you, Fire Signs, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Ilan sa inyo ready na mag-pursue ang new career path that will offer more stability and abundance. So, inaalagaan nyo ang inyong posisyon sa iyong buhay, karera at ang iyong negosyo. This card is also an abundance. Abundance. So this is the confirmation yung inaantay mo ay darating na with positive results. So this is happiness, fulfillment sa iyong matagal mong trabaho. Some of you, granted yung manifestation nyo. Success in workplace and home. I-acknowledge mo ang nagbibigay ng suporta sa iyo. Galing sa iyong co-workers na para mo na ring pamilya. Kung ikaw ay may balak mag-change ng career o magtayo ng negosyo, know that you have the very supportive friends and family. So this is the sign. Nagkaroon ka ng happiness today. Habang naghihintay, you feel disappointment or nagkaroon ng impatience and nagkaroon ng abundance. Just let go and feel peaceful. Ano pa po ang love and romance message niyo po para kay Fire Signs, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius? You are feeling trapped. Sa buhay pag-ibig, you are feeling trapped. Nagkaroon ng restriction. Sa buhay love and romance, feeling trapped ka o stuck ka sa isang relasyon. Nag-iisip kang umalis o pakawalan. Feeling trapped ka o stuck ka sa isang relasyon. Nag-iisip kang umalis o pakawalan pero ayaw mo. Para sa mga single, ayaw mo pang makipagrelasyon ngayon dahil hindi ka pa naka-move on sa past love mo. Feeling mo na stuck ka sa past. Kailangan mong pakawalan ang iyong sarili, lalo na't hindi na ito existing sa present mo. This card asks you to allow yourself to experience love again. So you deserve love. Nagkaroon ng frustration or disbalance. Lilito kang magdesisyon dahil sa emotion mo na you are feeling stuck. Ilan sa inyo nagkaroon ng failure relationship. Hindi nagkaroon ng balance ng iyong relasyon. Isa sa inyo naging dependent sa partner niyo. To fix the imbalance, look inward to see where you can find the source of disharmony para maayos ito. So, what's the love advice para kay fire signs? Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Imagine all unwanted thoughts dissolving into light, creating a room for new opportunities and possibilities for your life. Ano pa po ang advice para kay fire signs? Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Ngayong August 27 to September 2. Nothing is yet set in stone. What's the angels of advice, message, spirit guides, archangels, message na po kay fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius, ngayong August 27 to September 2. Take back your power. Sabi ni Archangel Raziel, use your God-given power and intention to manifest blessings into your life. That is your reading today, fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Balik po kayo dito bukas para sa daily tarot reading natin. Please like, subscribe, and click bell button for notification para po updated kayo sa daily tarot reading natin. Maraming salamat po.